Hi, my name is Assaf. I'm here with Treeium Home Remodeling. We are here in Santa Monica, California with our client Adam Strauss. We did a bathroom remodel. It took us about 30 days to complete. The first thing that we did was demolition, which takes about a day or two, and we usually try and haul away all the debris the same day. Once that was complete, we scheduled our electricians to come in and upgrade all the electrical. After that, we did the plumbing upgrades, which required us to upgrade all the vertical pipes to copper type L and make any necessary upgrades per the client's request. Once that was complete, we had an inspection with the city and they gave us permission to close up the walls. Our next step was to waterproof the shower pan, which we framed out, which is called hot mop. Once they finish the hot mop, they'll fill up the shower pan with about 2 inches of water and let it sit to make sure that we don't have any leaks and that the shower pan is completely waterproof. We also have an inspection on that with the city, and after that's done, we will do something called lath. It's basically spreading chicken wire on the floor and all along the walls. After we do the interior lath, we have another inspection with the city. Once that's complete, our tile guys will come in and they floated cement all on the floors and on the shower walls and on the shower pan. That takes about 2 days to complete depending on the size of the bathroom. Once we finished that stage, we came in and did tile installation. Tile installation really depends on how intricate the design is and how much tile installation is actually necessary to complete the bathroom. In Adam's case, it's a small bathroom, so it took us 3 days to complete. Once we finished the tile installation, our glass fabricators came in to take templates for the shower door. After that was complete, we installed all the accessories, including the vanity, the finishes for the lighting, the baseboards in which we actually cut out of the tile, and finished with touch-ups of paint. When everything was complete, we called City for final inspection and delivered Adam his brand new bathroom.